Since the dawn of humanity, we have gazed up at the night sky in wonder. The twinkling lights above have always sparked our curiosity and imagination, leading us to question our place in the universe. The stars, like pinpricks of light in the vast darkness, have always held a special fascination. They are the beacons of the night, guiding us through the ages and inspiring countless myths and legends. But it is the planets, those wandering stars that seem to move independently across the celestial canvas, that truly capture our imagination. Unlike the fixed stars, planets traverse the sky, each on its own unique path, hinting at the dynamic nature of our cosmos. What are these distant worlds like? Are any of them home to life? These questions have intrigued us for centuries, driving us to look beyond our own world and seek answers in the vastness of space. These questions have driven us to explore the cosmos, seeking answers among the stars. Our quest has led to the development of advanced telescopes and space probes, each designed to uncover the secrets of these distant worlds. Planets are more than just celestial bodies. They are cosmic storytellers, each with a unique tale to tell. From their formation to their current state, each planet holds clues about the history and evolution of our solar system. From the scorched surface of Mercury to the icy plains of Neptune, our solar system is a testament to the incredible diversity of planets. Each one offers a glimpse into different environmental conditions and geological processes. And beyond our own solar system, in the vast expanse of the Milky Way and beyond, lie countless other planetary systems, each with its own wonders to uncover. These exoplanets, orbiting distant stars, expand our understanding of what planetary systems can be. The study of planets is a journey into the unknown, a quest to understand the very building blocks of our universe. Scientists analyze data from telescopes and space missions, piecing together the stories of these distant worlds. It is a journey that has already yielded incredible discoveries, and one that promises to unlock even greater secrets in the years to come. From finding water on Mars to discovering Earth-like exoplanets, each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. So, join me as we embark on a cosmic adventure, exploring the mysteries of planets and unraveling the secrets they hold. Together, we will journey through space and time, uncovering the wonders of our solar system and beyond. From the sun's fiery embrace to the icy depths of the outer solar system, our journey will take us to worlds both familiar and strange. We will explore the extremes of temperature and environment, witnessing the incredible diversity of planetary landscapes. Along the way, we will encounter scorching deserts, towering volcanoes, and oceans of liquid methane. Each of these environments offers unique challenges and opportunities for scientific discovery. We will delve into the history of our solar system, uncovering the processes that gave birth to the planets and shaped their destinies. By studying ancient planetary surfaces and geological formations, we can piece together the story of our cosmic neighborhood. And we will look beyond our own cosmic neighborhood, exploring the strange and wonderful diversity of exoplanets, those alien worlds orbiting distant stars. These discoveries challenge our understanding of what a planet can be and open up new possibilities for finding life beyond Earth. As we continue our exploration, we will push the boundaries of technology and human ingenuity, sending spacecraft to the far reaches of our galaxy. The data we collect will not only expand our knowledge, but also inspire future generations to continue the quest for understanding. The journey to explore planets is a testament to human curiosity and determination. Each mission, each discovery, brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Join us as we continue this incredible journey, exploring the cosmic allure of planets and the mysteries they hold. Our cosmic journey begins right here at home, in our own solar system. This vast expanse of space is our immediate neighborhood in the universe, a place we have studied and explored for centuries. This celestial ballet of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets is a familiar sight to us, yet it holds many secrets waiting to be uncovered. Each celestial body moves in a precise dance, governed by the laws of physics, creating a harmonious yet dynamic system. Dominated by the sun's immense gravity, our solar system is a place of both incredible beauty and awe-inspiring power. The sun's gravitational pull keeps the planets in their orbits, maintaining the delicate balance that allows life to thrive on Earth. At the heart of it all lies the sun, a star like billions of others in the Milky Way galaxy. It is a massive glowing sphere of hot plasma, generating energy through nuclear fusion at its core. But to us, it is the source of life, its energy bathing our planet in light and warmth. The sun's rays drive the weather, power photosynthesis in plants, and provide the energy that sustains nearly all life on Earth. Orbiting the sun are 8 planets, each with its own unique characteristics and story to tell. These planets range from the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy realms of Neptune, each offering a glimpse into the diverse nature of our solar system. These planets can be divided into 2 groups: the inner rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These terrestrial planets are composed primarily of rock and metal, with solid surfaces that we could, in theory, stand on. And the outer gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are vastly different from the rocky inner planets, composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, with thick atmospheres and no solid ground. The inner planets are relatively small and dense, with solid surfaces and thin atmospheres. They are characterized by their rocky landscapes, mountains, valleys, and, in the case of Earth, vast oceans. The outer planets, in contrast, are massive and gaseous, with no solid surfaces to speak of. Their immense size and composition make them fascinating subjects of study, with their swirling clouds and powerful storms. They are also home to elaborate ring systems and a plethora of moons. Saturn's rings are the most famous, but all the gas giants have rings of varying complexity and beauty. Between Mars and Jupiter lies the asteroid belt, a region populated by countless rocky remnants from the early solar system. These asteroids are the building blocks that never coalesced into a planet, offering clues about the solar system's formation. And beyond Neptune's orbit lies the Kuiper Belt, a vast and icy realm where Pluto and other dwarf planets reside. This distant region is filled with frozen bodies that hold secrets about the outer reaches of our solar system and the processes that shaped it. Our first stop on our planetary tour takes us to Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the Sun. Despite its diminutive size, Mercury holds a wealth of mysteries and fascinating features that continue to intrigue scientists and astronomers alike. This tiny world is a study in contrasts, with scorching hot days and frigidly cold nights. During the day, temperatures can soar to a blistering 800 degrees Fahrenheit, while at night, they can plummet to a bone-chilling -290 degrees Fahrenheit. Its surface is a desolate landscape of craters, plains, and cliffs, a testament to billions of years of bombardment by asteroids and comets. These impact craters, some of which are hundreds of miles wide, tell the story of a planet that has endured countless collisions over its long history. Despite its harsh conditions, Mercury is a fascinating world that holds clues to the early solar system. By studying Mercury, scientists hope to learn more about the processes that shaped the planets and the conditions that existed in the early days of our solar system. Its close proximity to the Sun has given it a unique history, one that has shaped its surface and its interior. The intense solar radiation and gravitational forces have played a significant role in Mercury's development. Mercury is a surprisingly dense planet with a large iron core that makes up a significant portion of its mass. This core is thought to extend outwards to about 85% of the planet's radius, making it one of the densest planets in our solar system. This suggests that it may have lost much of its outer layers early in its history, perhaps due to a giant impact. Such a cataclysmic event could have stripped away the lighter materials, leaving behind the dense, iron-rich core we see today. One of the most intriguing features of Mercury is its eccentric orbit. This unusual path around the Sun has significant implications for the planet's climate and geological activity. Unlike the other planets in our solar system, whose orbits are nearly circular, Mercury's orbit is highly elliptical. This means that its distance from the Sun varies greatly throughout its year, which is only 88 Earth days long. This rapid orbit means that Mercury experiences significant changes in solar intensity over short periods of time. As it races around the Sun, the planet's surface undergoes dramatic shifts in temperature and solar radiation. At its closest approach, Mercury is a mere 29 million miles from the Sun, while at its farthest, it is 43 million miles away. This extreme variation in distance results in dramatic temperature swings on the planet's surface. These temperature swings are among the most extreme in the solar system, creating a harsh and unforgiving environment. The lack of a significant atmosphere means that there is little to moderate these temperature extremes. Despite its small size and harsh environment, Mercury is a world of unexpected complexity. Its surface features, including vast plains, towering cliffs, and deep craters, reveal a dynamic and evolving planet. It is a planet of extremes, a place where scorching heat and frigid cold exist side by side. The stark contrasts between day and night, and the varied terrain, make Mercury a unique and intriguing world. Its unique characteristics make it a valuable target for scientific study, providing insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. By unraveling the mysteries of Mercury, we can gain a deeper understanding of the processes that have shaped not only this small planet, but also the larger cosmic neighborhood we call home.